Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can get ringtones on iPhone. For that you have to buy ringtones on iPhone to set it as a ringtone. So I'm just going to show you how you can get ringtones from iPhone. So go to settings first and from here search for your ringtones. So as I can't see any ringtones over here, so I'm just going to search it. So type ringtone and then go to ringtone, and from here scroll up and then go to tone store. From tone store you have to go to more and then tap tones. From here you can see so many options. So I'm just going to show you how you can get ringtones from here. So tap on one music and then tap on the ringtone and set as default ringtone. So if you want to set this as a ringtone, so you have to buy it first. You can't use this without buying it. So this is how you can get ringtones on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.